Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see you again. Today I'm at my local carp lake again. We'll be fishing here all day. I got a very nice swim. Lake looking nice. Weather is perfect. We'll be fishing here all day. I will try to catch some carp. Let's hope I get some. I'll just set out my stuff and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm ready to start fishing now. I got my 2 rods ready. We'll be using method feeders today with the pellet. Look guys, how I done it. Beautiful. Okay, I got 1 rod out. Let's do another one. Okay guys, got another one ready. Beautiful presentation. Lots of bait to start off with. I'll just try to cast to the island and see if I get any fish. Yes, lovely. Okay, got my both rods out now. Just need to wait. Okay, let's cast again. I'll try to give fish some bait to start with.
You all right, mate?
Yeah, good. Alright.
Yeah, all right, mate. When you here till?
Evening.
Tonight?
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
1 day?
1 day, yeah.
When did you get here? Today?
Today, yeah.
Yeah, that's 3 rods, yeah?
2.
2?
2, yeah.
Take care.
Cheers. Okay. I put a fresh bait on my rods. Very nice cast. Alright guys, I'm fishing for about 2.5 hours now. Still had no bites. I'm getting hungry, so we'll get some sandwiches ready. Dark handmade bread with grains and pumpkin seeds, cucumber, some butter, I will cut the ham in small cubes. I'll just cube it up. Wow, it smells amazing. Okay, looking nice. Just try to spread the butter. It's a bit cold. My cool box doing very good job keeping things cold. Alright, that will do it. Now I will just put the cubes of ham on top of my bread. Okay, looking lovely. Okay guys, let's have a look at that. Got beautiful sandwiches. It's a bread, some butter, ham and cucumber. Let's give it a go. Tastes amazing. Okay, let's recast the rods. So far, looks like the lake is dead. No fish at all. Okay, let's get it out. Very nice. Alright guys, still getting no fish No bites, nothing. Okay guys, got a fish. Got a big fish. It's a huge one. I thought I will not get anything. Well, finally, looks like a huge carp. He's just going away somewhere. Don't know if I can get it out. Get my net ready. I got my other rod's line tangled up as well. Okay, it's coming close now. Okay, it's a lovely carp. Beautiful fish. Let's see if I can land it. Big carp, guys. I can see it. It's a nice mirror carp. Just need to get it in the net. Alright. Nice one.
Come have a look.
Yeah.
I want to come down. Oh yeah, look at that.
Is that the one you had the other day?
I was going to say, do you want me to take a picture of you, but it looks like you've already got your setup.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. That's lovely, isn't it? That is the one I had last month. Lovely fish, man. That's the one that you had as well.
Oh yeah, that's the one I had. You can tell by the marking on the thing.
It's going to get nice and big though. Look at, I like the scales on that. Well done, fella.
Yeah.
What would you say that is? 16? 15, I'd say. Oh, it's called rod. Well done, fella, well done.
Okay.
That's the first person I've seen to catch.
Cheers.
Is that your first one out?
First one, yeah.
Oh, good.
Any more to come then?
Well, I'm not sure. It's going very slow.
Well, good luck, fella.
Okay, you too. Alright, guys. Got a lovely carp. Just have a look at this one. If I can lift it, would be good. Calm down. Lovely mirror carp. Huge one, maybe 10 pounds. Finally got one. Very good. Okay, I think he's alright now. Just let him go. And he's gone. Okay, one rod ready. Other one got snagged somewhere just by the shore. I'll try to pull it out. Lovely cast. Okay, I got the other rod out. Alright, got my both rods out again. Got my first carp. That was nice. Let's hope I'll get some more of them. The sun's coming out. It's getting so hot again. Had one carp, no more fish. I just seen there's like a dead swan over there. One guy just come here. I think he will be getting it out.
I have to walk along that edge there.
Yeah?
The lines are not there, are they? Can I walk along this edge here?
No lines there, no.
I've been told this is where I can get in from here.
Sure, yeah.
Right, so that's all right there. Not too bad. Not too bad. Ooh. A little bit deeper. A little deeper.
Yeah, should be alright. Okay, the guys just went there with his waders. He will try to get the dead swan out. Walking slowly around the edge. Just trying to get to the swan. Doing a very good job. Yes, he's through. Can he get through this gap? Yes, he's through. Okay, look at this, guys. He's got it. Now he needs to get all the way back to my swim.
Hey? Morning. No, I'm alright, mate. Sure? Yeah. What's your date? Yeah. Oh, he's having a nap. Hey? He's having a nap. Is it? Well, some can't show you. No, I think it might have been botulism. We'll have it inspected anyway, we'll check it.
You got it, yeah?
Yeah, I got him.
That,
I bet just find out what was wrong with him.
yeah, so sad.
Yeah.
Nice, big,
I
beautiful.
think it was botulism.
Thanks, Mike, you're a hero.
You caught anything today?
I caught one carp, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, they're beautiful, cute ones.
You're not staying all night then?
No, I got things to do tomorrow.
Okay then. Well, you have a nice day, okay?
You too. See ya. Okay, guys, let's cast again. Whoa, that was too far. Got my line. Yes, it's off. Had my line on the tree. Got so excited. The guy just removed the swan. He took it away for investigation. They will do like a examination. Why did it die? And they will make a conclusions. Okay, both my rods out again. Let's see if I can get any more fish. Okay, guys, I'm into another fish. Looks like another carp is running away. Beautiful bite. He took it so well. I just hope it doesn't get away. I just need to pull it out of the gap between islands. I hope I will not get snagged. Just get my landing net ready. Yeah, it's coming out. I think it will start fighting a lot now. Okay, you wanna come up? Ooh, lovely. Come again. Beautiful carp. Yes, come on, baby. Come in the net. Here you go. Got it. Wow, this is bigger than the other one. This one is a huge carp. Guys, come on. What a beauty. Okay, got the hook out. Yeah. Nice one. Big one.
You had many?
Second one. Yeah, I start in the morning, got 2 today.
Yeah, can't go wrong. Where you fishing, island?
Between those 2, yeah.
You can get closer to that tree as well. Very good. It's like a hole there.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Bye, man. Take it easy.
You too. Look at this, guys. What a beautiful carp. This is the second one today. This is the biggest fish I got today. Lovely fish. I think I need to weight this one just to see if this is the biggest one I caught. Okay guys, can't find my scales, but I think this is the big one. Definitely 10 pounds. Big scaly one. Just give it a bit of rest. I knew there was a carp in this lake, but I wasn't expecting this. That was amazing. Oh, my pellet's not sticking anymore. I think I need to do this again. Let's do the carp release. Okay, have a look at this beautiful carp. Last time, I think he's well rested now, and off he goes into the deep. Just look at these cute little ducklings swimming around. Will it come? Yes, they're all coming for it. How cute they are. Cute little babies. Little puff balls. Yes. Lovely cast, lovely day. Big fish. This is very big fish living here.
You from play?
Can you give me this big?
This?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Look, you see? Big, yeah.
Shall I give this?
Yeah, I need this nut. Thank you. Yeah, coming. Yes.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah,
Happy.
big fish.
Good. Happy life, huh?
Yeah, I think, that's it. Last fish are going home now. Catch free like this. One was bigger as well, even.
Okay then. Thank you so much.
Alright, okay.
This you would meet very, very happy.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Bye bye. Look at this, guys. Calm down. Look at this, guys. Another beautiful carp. That's the third one today. I think that will be the last one. I met some local London people. They helped me catch the carp. Give some bread to the ducks. What a lovely day. I'm just releasing it back. There it goes. Okay guys, thanks for joining me on this trip. It was very nice day. Enjoyed the fishing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.